what's up? Maglalaro po tayo ng MM2 or nabubulol po ako guys. Sorry guys. What is better guys? Do I play in English or Tagalog? But siguro maglalaro na lang ako as Tagalog kasi yun nga mas komportable ako. Maglalaro nga po tayo ng Murder Mystery 2, for short MM2. Ayan, maglalaro po tayo kasama yung kapatid ko. Ito po siya. Brother Best 026. Pero ang ano niya po ay Gogeta. Ayan. Pakita ka naman, brother. Yan, brother po muna ang tawag natin sa kanya. Ayan siya. Yan, brother 06. Wait. Brother, ito, Pierre. Yan, maglalaro tayo as Pierre. Hindi po ako masyado marunong mag-edit. Don't judge my edit. Ayan, maglalaro tayo. Dito po sa vlog na to, hindi ako magka-cut. Hindi po ako magka-cut. Ano kayo Innocent! Opo, tama po ang narinig nyo. Innocent lang po tayo for today. So, ang natin ay mag-survive. At pag naswerte po tayo, mahanap natin ang barel, kunin po natin. Sa mga bago lang po sa account ko, please please subscribe to my channel kasi po may pinag-iipunin po ako. Kung gusto nyo po ako suportahan, ito po, dito po sa channel na to, makikita nyo po yung account ko at pindutin nyo lang subscribe. Wala pong bayad yan. Sa mga iba pong kala may bayad. Uy, sino yan? Kala may bayad. Wala pong bayad ang subscribe sa YouTube. At kung masusuportahan nyo po ako, pwede po kayong mag-like. Yun lang po. Like, subscribe and like. At comment nyo po kung anong magandang next na laruin. Ito, meal base tayo. Magandang laruin next video. At mamimili po ako sa comments ninyong lahat. Ito si brother. What? Uy, nasan yung Saan nyo nakita yun? Yung magnifying glass ba yun? Yung blue? What? Innocent again, Where? Where, bro? Huh? Hi. Bubbles. Where? Where? Okay. You. Bro, I don't have it. But I'ma just eat ice cream. Let's pretend I'm there. Yeah. Bruh. Hey guys, comment if I should buy the elite bundle here before it's too late. I hope it gets so. No! Huh? How did you get that? The magnifying glass, guys. Let's see. There. Bruh. You need 120 shells. Where to see the shells? Yeah. Next. Saan makukuha yung shells? Daily. Okay. Bruh. 60, bre. What is this, bro? Ano to? 60 na to. You just wait. Okay. I put this back. Hey, brother. Oh, sorry guys. I'm back. I'ma just cut this. Kakat ko na ito. Sinisip ko na ko. Kakat ko to. Yeah, just waiting guys. Yeah, this is the victory. Just find the here. No, just realized the merge is the victory, bruh. Bro, I'd. Let's swim, guys. Let's jump. I think I'm gonna pick bruh. It's too late. Let's see what I am gonna be. I hope it's a murderer or a sheriff. I'm not gonna say it loud. Nah. Oh, this is very. Nah. Huh? Victory? How? They leave or just they shot them? Binaril niya lang. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. Let's pick Mansion 2. Because this is better, guys. If you know, you know. Oh no! I think House 2 is better. Yeah, my brother. Yes. Go Jetta. Bro, I can't see you in the room. Look. The elite bundle is so cool. Bro. Innocent again. Hehehehe. Just pretending. Get her on. Where are you? Hey, brother. Let's call my brother Zian because that's not me. That's not me. That's not me, everyone. Don't be scared because that's not me. That is not me. Don't be scared because that is. I'm gonna get to you later. Is here. Bro, I know it. I knew it. He's the bruh. I think I'm gonna make this video short or long. What do you think, Zian? Comment it. What should I do it this video? Long or short? Hey, Pierre. I love this. I hope I will be sheriff. I hate murd. Nah. Hindi ko hate yung murd. Sorry, guys. Just a fever. Nah. What do you mean, nah? Make this short or make this long enough? Yeah, I just... Bro! Yes, sir. Are you Zian? Are you Zian? No? Okay. Oh, where's the... Ay, ito. Nakaharang to. Oh, he's so... Oh, guys, don't be nakaharang. Just bacon. Sorry, guys. Zian, get the gun, Zian. because my brother's in the aura for now. Go, 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 go! Guys, should I live or no? In YouTube. Should I live? Nah, I don't think I live. Go, Zian, go! You got this, dude! Yeah, guys, who wants to know why I'm doing this? Kasi I'm saving for something. You guys won't expect it. I'm not gonna say it for now. Just look at me. Yo! Zian has so many aura. Just look at my profile and you will see what I want. So I'm making videos. I'm gonna make this last game, guys. Peer. Ay, there's no peer. Okay, Mel base. Got this last game, guys, and I will leave this. And you know, I have no intro because I'm still finding it. I'm still pinag-aaralan ko pa. Nag-ano pa ako. Nag-ano. Bro, I said I'm innocent but I'm actually murdered or sheriff. I'm just faking it because I have someone here playing MM2. That's Zian. Because I thought, kala ko kasi sheriff siya or murdering siya. Kaya, nagkukungwari ako innocent, guys. So, that's the reason why I kept innocent. If I died, I will leave this game. Where are they, bruh? Let's be Michael Jackson for today. Zian here, in outside. I'm being Michael Jackson for today. Bro's giving up on me. Do this trick, guys. Just press and press and press. Yeah, kill this guy. Well, I'm running just. No! So, bye guys. I'm gonna end this. See you guys tomorrow, I think, or the couple days because I already. Yay! The victory because I have school tomorrow. So, I'll see. Bye guys. Bye, Zian. Bye.